Hi, this is Andy Bennett from Benetts Safe Gas, and this is a tool talk review on these. These are the Monument OMATs. Pack of two, one small one, one large one. That are for soldering, obviously. This one's 150mm, this one's a 300mm soldering mat. They both look the same. They both, well, let's open it up, show you properly. There you go. Here it is. Here's the little one, probably one of my favourite ones. Obviously separates open. There's a bit of 15mm pipe. Fold it round, close it up, start soldering. And even with that flap, it won't make it through because of that. Nice little addition. If you've got nowhere to rest it, you put yourself a little tack in the wall or screwdriver and hook it and hold it. And then on the big one, exactly the same. 15mm pipe, flap on the back, pin on the wall, whatever, bend it round, bend it to whatever shape you want, literally whatever shape you want for soldering. I have used mat before, and they do wear, obviously, but this is a few years old now, and as you can see, the hole is still good. It hasn't, it's worn obviously, but it hasn't completely diminished away. It's still good. You still fold it into whatever position you want. I do recommend changing them because they get dirty more than anything. Not that they're unusable, just because you start dirtying the walls up. Yeah, great little mat. I wouldn't be without mine. And the smaller one, this one here, I'll probably use this 90% of the time, because unless you're doing more than one fitting in a small tight place, this one is usually just about good enough. Yeah, so get yourself a Monument OMATs.